Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to go ahead and use an application called CapCut. And here in CapCut, we're going to go ahead and tap New Project. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and use this one right here. All right, now the first thing that I'm going to do is cut this one. We're going to go ahead and make sure that it is less than 90 seconds. So let's go ahead and set this one to around 1 minute or 60 seconds. I'm going to tap the video, click split, and then we're going to delete the other one. All right, there you go. Now from here, we can go ahead and add a new audio. So just go ahead and tap the add audio option down below, and then I'm going to choose the sounds. Now there are different sounds here that we can use. I'm just going to go ahead and try to use the vlog. And then say for example, happy back sound, I'm going to tap the plus sign here. There you go. Now we're going to go ahead to the end of the video. All right, because we are going to cut this one. All right, so I'm going to click the audio, click split, and then click that audio again, click delete. All right, now the next thing that we are going to do is just export this one. We're just going to have to wait for this to be done. Okay, now that we are done, we can just go ahead and press the done button here. We can go back to our Instagram. All right, and here in our Instagram, we're just going to go ahead and tap the plus sign down here, and we're going to go ahead and choose Reels. So there you go. There is our Reels. Now we're going to choose the video that we have worked on earlier. So I'm going to tap this one, and then we can go ahead and tap this one to add another audio. So this time, go ahead and try to use which one you're going to like. So I'm going to choose this one, for example, and then I'm going to go ahead and click this. All right, so now we have an audio already built in from the music itself or from the video itself. And then we have a new audio, the second audio here from our Instagram app. So I'm just going to click this one right here. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the share button. And that is how you're going to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels.